In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Splitwise. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go and what to change so that Splitwise only notifies you about the things you actually care about. Let's start from the main Splitwise page on your computer. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile area. This might appear as your name, your email, or an icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile area to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage different aspects of how Splitwise works for you. On the account settings page, you'll see several sections or tabs that control different preferences. What we're interested in here is notifications. Look for the tab or link that says Notifications and click on it. This will open a dedicated notification section where Splitwise lists all the different types of alerts it can send you. Here, you'll typically see options related to email notifications, push notifications, or both, depending on your device and how you use Splitwise. For example, you might see settings for when someone adds you to a group, when a new expense is created, when a bill is updated, or when a payment is recorded. Take a moment to scan through these options carefully. Each one usually has a checkbox, toggle, or drop-down that lets you turn that specific type of notification on or off. Think about how often you use Splitwise and how much information you really need. If you find that you get overwhelmed by too many messages, you might want to turn off less important updates and keep only the essentials, like when someone settles up with you or adds a large expense. On the other hand, if you manage a lot of shared bills, you might prefer to keep more notifications turned on, so nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've adjusted your preferences to your liking, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There should be a button labeled Save or something very similar. Click on this button to make sure all your changes are applied. If you skip this step, Splitwise may keep your old notification settings, and that's it. You've successfully managed your notifications in Splitwise, so your alerts now match your personal preferences and help you stay organized without unnecessary interruptions.